Hey guys, how's everything going? This is JSer. In this video, let's continue our journey on a relay. And until now, we have built a fairly cool app, to-do app, except that it is very bad looking, right? The UI, there's no UI stuff like that. But we're building this app to demonstrate the abilities of relay, so it doesn't matter here. Notice that how we handle this mutation. Oh, there's an error. Let's fix it. Remember, when we want to modify the title of this to-do or toggle the status of this to-do, we use mutation, right? So remember our code. We actually have this update to-do mutation module, and here we commit mutation and define the mutation here and commit it. And there was some maybe optimistic response, then incomplete on error. So you look that we have this environment as the first parameter of this function because this is a standalone module. It doesn't know what the environment is, but in our to do here, when we are calling them like here commit to do mutation here, we pass in the environment, right? And we extract the environment from use reading environment. That's because our environment actually is injected through the whole app with this relay environment provider. So naturally, why we're already in this hooks era? Why do we bother to get the environment and pass in as an argument of a function, right? We could just use a hook just to extract the environment by itself. So that's what is called use mutation here. By using mutation, we can achieve what we want. But first, let's remove the code we did last time because we already make the code only commits the local changes. Right here, we remove it, we commit it out, and I think there's some errors here. Set value here. Okay. Let's first try our app. Okay, open the network. If we change title, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 seconds, and you see that it's updated, and still there's some errors. Relay observer, yeah, we can ignore that for now. Okay, we toggle it. It's working, and yeah, we want to just encapsulate. I should say, this mutation will be only used in this to-do we suggest or we believe. So it's better that we just put the mutation within this component, right? Of course, just separating in a different module is a favorable approach because you might just commit this mutation from different component, different modules. So it's fairly fine to put it here, but we just want to demonstrate how we can use the mutation hooks here. So we just copy the mutation here and go to our to-do and add our hooks here. So just ignore the first one, use mutation, and we just pass in the mutation GraphQL. So we need to change the name because there's a naming convention. To-do update mutation and then render it, restore it, and then we update our relay. And obviously there's some error. I think it is something called require. Okay. Yeah, this is a typical okay, we need to update it. Fine, no error now. So now the hook use mutation actually does something similar with it's just a wrapper of this this logic here. The return, actually the first one is commit function, which is pretty similar of this commit mutation, except that it doesn't need the environment anymore and it doesn't need the mutation anymore. So it's just a full pre-filled version, it's bound version of commit mutation. So, and the second parameter actually is committing, like well, we don't need it for now because we already have the optimistic response. So okay, we just use commit here, and then actually the function being called in two places. The first one is when we change the title by pressing the enter key, and also the toggle of this status, right? So let's just modify this toggle here. So rather than using the old separate module, we just use the commit here. Oh, allow me to. Oh yeah, as I can just use it here. It's fine. And then we just copy the logic. The logic is the same. It should be the same. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, here. And as we said, we don't need the environment. It's already extracted from this hook. And then we remove it, and also the mutation, it's no longer needed because it's wrapped in the hook. And then we just use commit. So that's it. I just modify the toggle part. Of course, we can just make it create a function, separate a function, and use it in both locations. And I'll leave that to you because we're here just for demo purpose. Let's just reload it and to see how it goes. The toggle, it toggled it. Oh, there's some error here. Title is on. Oh yeah, obviously. Where toggle, there's no input. Okay, to do the title. We actually need to refine our GraphQL server to make it simple, like make some of the data optional, but it's just for demo purpose. So let's just find some ways to make it work without considering this concise or not. Okay, so yeah, this is the actually the payload. Okay, reload it. Okay, let's take a look. Toggle it. Okay, fine. It's pretty working. What's the error here? Incomplete. It says what? Errors. Oh, length. Yeah. Okay. It's errors if. Yeah. Just add the optional chaining. Okay. Yeah, this is totally fine, right? Reload it. There should be 2 checked ones. Yeah. And it's actually working the same about with when we change the title because you can see that GraphQL, the mutation, where is it? Mutation. Yeah, it's actually the same. So nothing so special, but maybe remember if you only use this mutation within only one component, just to put in your component, and if it is used in different multiple places, maybe you can just separate into a different module. Okay, that's all for this one. Use mutation. Hope it helps. Yeah, really, it's very, very powerful and interesting. I hope that you can give it a search by yourself. And yeah, that's it. Hope it helps. See you next time. Bye bye.